What is up, guys? So, it's been a hot minute since I've posted on this channel. Technically, this is really just a fresh start, but adding some context to all this. This video is pretty much about just a few amateur clips of me using my GoPro at my local Airsoft arena. And of course, obviously, you know, these clips definitely are not the best when it comes to quality. I mean, of course, you'll definitely be able to see what's going on, but of course, there are a bit of issues. Like, for example, there is a bit of delay in all of these clips, so I do apologize in advance for that. But there is a bit of commentary added for each specific clip, as some are really good clips, like, you know, clutch clips of me getting a good tag feed, and of course, there's a couple fails in there too. But of course, like, overall, I feel like you guys definitely would enjoy these series of clips. And of course, like, you know, for the sake of YouTube, these are all not real firearms. YouTube, do not get me in trouble, obviously. I'm sure you'll see in the description of the video anyway. But of course, you know, like I said, as I advance in the future with editing and all that, of course, if y'all seen my previous video, you should go check it out. You know, you can already see that, you know, things are starting to come together. A new upload I will be releasing is probably Monday or Sunday of this week. So of course, stay tuned for that. Obviously, more content will be out in the future. I'll be mentioning more people as, you know, I play more and more. So, of course, overall, I do want to thank each and every one of y'all that have been here for the entire time of this channel. And, of course, I hope to see this channel grow and hope to love to make content for you guys. So, of course, in the end, thank you very much, and I hope you guys enjoy. 1, 2, 3. 4 melee kill, 5 melee kill, 6, 7, I'm dead. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Capture the flag. 4, 5, and then I died.
I got the fourth flag, go! I got the fourth flag, go! I got the fourth flag, go!